the Small Claims Department what to do when Davenport or Scott County, Iowa law enforcement tells you it's a civil matter when you have something stolen or you're beaten and robbed and the Davenport Police or Sheriff's Department does not file a police report. Warning: if you have grounds for a lawsuit, move out and file it. Otherwise they will stalk, harass and run disinformation campaigns about you. The Civil Department of the Iowa District Court clerks records and maintains all pleadings, orders, motions, and exhibits filed in actions involving a monetary value of $5,001 or greater. The primary case types handled in the Civil Department are domestic relations, divorce, custody, child support, and paternity, debt collection, contracts, medical malpractice, personal injury, foreclosures, replevin actions, and legal name changes. Small claims. What is a small claims case? Small Claims Court was created to provide citizens with a low-cost, simple process for resolving civil disputes involving small amounts of money. This should not have to be done if you have something stolen. The applicable Iowa laws may be found in Iowa Code Chapter 631. A small claims case is a civil action for a money judgment in which the amount in controversy is $5,000 or less. An action for forcible entry and detainer arising out of a landlord-tenant dispute can be brought in small claims court. In small claims court, cases are tried before a judge, not a jury, and without strict regard to technicalities of rules of procedure. There are easy-to-complete forms for small claims available on this website, with links to the forms and instructions at the top of this page. Warning: they admit they don't follow technicalities of rules of procedure. Warning: if you try to file a civil suit 5 times and a fat, corrupt lying woman that is taking payoffs from people, your lawsuit will not be filed. In fact, if you record her with a recording device, she will lie and have you arrested for making a scene, like for example cursing and yelling and taking picture of her. I know I was. But I have the recording and the recording proves I did not yell or curse her or even take a picture, which is not illegal by the way. In fact, it was determined later my constitutional rights had been violated. But I was arrested, and they will leave these rights violations arrest on your record and use them later for a reason to deny you due process or for disinformation campaigns. That's right, they will use a previous arrest you may have proven innocent of as an excuse to not help you when you are a victim of a crime. They did it to me several times. When this happens, call the FBI. And yes, you can't say fuck the Scott County Courthouse, they are low-life, corrupt fucks. Don't worry, it is your right, as an American. It is called freedom of speech. This of course something Scott County needs to learn. You should not be thrown in jail for speaking, taking a picture, or wearing a hat inside the shithole Scott County Courthouse or anywhere else in the United States. And yes, I was arrested for wearing a hat around the same time when all this happened. Now I wear a hat that says fuck the corrupt Scott County Courthouse.